Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to make questionnaire in Google Forms. Google Forms questionnaire is very useful for conducting surveys or doing the research. You can easily set up the questionnaire, share the questionnaire to different people or respondents. Then the response will be collected in Google Sheets document. Basically, there are two ways of creating the questionnaire by using Google Forms. In the first method, you can start any internet browser. In the address bar, put docs.google.com/forms, then press enter. This will open the official web page of Google Forms, where you can start creating the form by clicking on this blank form option. The second method is you can start Google Sheets in your computer. Let me open Google Sheets, which is already installed in my PC. If you want to learn how to install Google Sheets in computer, then you can watch the video tutorial that is given in the description section. If you don't have Google Sheets installed in your PC, then you can again go to internet browser. In the address bar, put docs.google.com/sheets. Then you will get this home page of Google Sheets. In the home page, click on this blank spreadsheet option. That will open Google Spreadsheet. Now to start creating the questionnaire in Google Forms, click on the Tools tab, then click on Create a New Form. This will open this form creation window. At the top of the form, you can set up the title of the questionnaire. Let me put here Smartphone Usage Pattern Survey. Below the title, you can put the form description. You can describe what this questionnaire is about. Below this, you have the question and answer section. Let me click on this. And here you can put the question. Let me put here the first question of the questionnaire. What is your primary purpose of using a smartphone? This is the question. Beside the question, you can choose the type of the answer. If you click on this drop down, here you have multiple options like short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload, and there are too many other options. Let me select this multiple choice. Below this, you can put the options. In the option 1, let me put communication. In the second option, let me put social media. Put the third option, work or study. In this way, you can add multiple options here from which the respondent can choose the answer. At the bottom part, you can see a required option. You can turn on this option if you want to make this question compulsory. Click on this plus button to add another question. Let me put here another question, that is, on an average, how many hours do you use smartphone per day? This is the question. In the answer type, let me select this checkbox option. In the option 1, let me put less than 2 hours. In the option 2, let me put 2 to 4 hours. In the option 3, 4 to 6 hours. In the option 4, 6 to 8 hours. And in the option 5, let me put here 8 hours and more. In this second question, the respondent can put their response by simply marking the checkbox. Following the same method, you can add more questions. This time, let me select this short answer, because here the respondent has to put only the smartphone brand name. Here, for example, only I have taken only 3 questions. But you can increase the number of questions according to your requirement. After setting up the question and answers for the questionnaire, now you can click on the publish button To publish this form, let me click on the publish button. In this responders section, you can manage the people who will submit the response in the form. Let me click on the manage button. In this box, you can put the email IDs of the people to whom you want to share the questionnaire. In the general access setting, in the responder view, you can set here anyone with the link. If you set this option, then anyone with the link of form can submit the response. Let me click on the done button. Now click on publish button. And here you can see the link of the form is created. Simply click on copy. You can share this link to the respondents by using different channels like WhatsApp, email, or any other social media. Now if you go back to the Google Sheets, here you see a new sheet is created with form response. Click on this. Here in this table you will get the form response as soon as somebody fills and submits the form. Let me open a internet browser, then paste the link of the form, then hit enter. Here you see the questionnaire is opened. In the first question, let me choose work or study. In the second question, let me mark the checkbox of 4 to 6 hours. And in the third question, let me put the answer as Samsung. After filling the questionnaire, now you can click on submit button. Here you see the response has been recorded. Now if you go to the Google Sheets, here you see the response is automatically updated. Similarly, when you receive the response from another respondent, then this table will keep on auto updating. Beside the question section of the form, you can see responses section. Click on this responses section to see the dashboard of the response that you receive. Here you see the total response is one response. For the first question, you can see 100% result for this work or study. For the second response, 100% result for 4 to 6 hours. And for the third response, Samsung is given. The diagram or charts will auto update according to the response you receive. So this is how you can create the questionnaire in Google Forms. See you again in next tutorial.